Let me show you how to install and also set up WhatsApp on any Samsung S10 series tablet. So first, to install WhatsApp, you will simply need to find this Play Store, application store. So if you pull up, you will have it somewhere here. In the search, let's enter WhatsApp. Okay, and let's install it. So it will take some time to download and install it. So let's wait a bit. Okay, so and let's open it up. Okay, and then we can click agree and continue over here. So by default you will see that this WhatsApp wants you to actually link it as companion device. But for example, if you have the SIM card version of this tablet and you actually want to create a new account without linking it, we can simply click these three dots on this corner here and click register new account. And then you see you have to enter your phone number here. And basically you'll get a verification SMS basically on that number. So yeah, if you want to do that. But yeah, also if you perhaps want to link basically existing account to this device, so again, we are going to switch to this menu over here. And then for example, on your phone, where you have the WhatsApp, so simply open up the WhatsApp. So basically in this view, simply click these three icons on the top, like these three dots here. Click here and you'll see option for linked devices. So you see, once you open it up, we can click link a device. Okay, and then we simply need to point, or basically the camera, for example, of this phone to this QR code, and you see it's logging us in over here. So it will load all the chats here. So you see we have the WhatsApp working here. So, and that's about it really. So also what's absolutely cool, we can also run even two WhatsApp accounts at the same time on this tablet as well. So if you want to do that, we can simply go in the settings and find advanced features in your settings and click dual messenger here. And you see you can actually install a second copy of WhatsApp on the same tablet. So you see installed, and if you check my apps, so you see I have another WhatsApp copy, so that I can maybe log in with another phone number, for example, if I want to. Okay, like